Welcome back to Cooking with Rosie. It's been a long time. Tonight I want to share with you a quick and easy meal that I made. This recipe calls for half pound of ground veal. Is actually dirty rice with ground veal. Here you can see I'm stir frying my ground veal with my onions, peppers. I have yellow peppers, green peppers. I have my garlic powder, my chili powder, my oregano, you name it. All the main 10 seasoning. If you're a cook, you know what they are. And then some. Now, right here, I am adding my rice because this recipe is a Mexican recipe from a brand called El Paso. The rice come in the bags. Also, it carries this. It comes with this powder looking cheese mixed ingredient that I am adding to the rice. We will stir this up together and add a cup of water. We add a cup of water. Also, I am adding a small can of peas and carrot because if you know me, you know I love vegetable in anything. Mostly everything I do, I incorporate some form of vegetable to my meals. So we will stir this up together. How everyone is doing out there with this heat, wherever you are. Just make sure you stay well hydrated, drink a lot of water. If you need to stay inside, do what you need to do for you. So we cover and let cook. After about maybe 15 minutes, uncover, you will notice most of the water have been absorbed. As we will say back home, the water dry down. So we will give it a nice good stir again, pat it out, smooth it out. Smooth your rice out together, nice and neat, and cover again. Let it steam, cook. Now this is my final product. This was so good, quick and easy. Thank you for watching. Shalom.